Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys oppo mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys oppo mobile guys password and biometric setting, and today video title is guys how to add face lock in oppo mobile. Friends, we want to add face lock in oppo mobile. So friends, how to add face lock one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your device phone setting. Then friends, you can add face lock in your oppo mobile. In your oppo mobile friends, open your phone, search option, and friends search here add face setting. Friends, you can see add face setting, add fingerprint, add language. You can add from here additional setting you can use. So friends, click here add face. You want to add face lock, click here add face option, and friends you don't have lock screen password. So first you will have to set lock screen password, then you can add face lock. Click here continue option, select your screen lock password type. Friends, I will use pattern lock and I will draw pattern for face lock. And friends, remember your password, don't do any mistake. If you do mistake you cannot unlock your oppo mobile. Okay, show your face and you can add face lock and you can unlock your mobile with face lock. After show face friends, you can see this type interface. Click here done option, face lock will set, face lock will add, and you can unlock your device with face lock. Lock your device screen. You want to unlock your oppo mobile, you can unlock your oppo mobile, draw pattern, you can unlock phone, and then if you show your face on lock screen, your phone will unlock automatic. Swipe, phone will unlock automatic. So like that way you can add face lock. You can use face lock setting in your oppo phone device. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you went out to have any problem in face lock setting? So friends, you can ask me in comment section. Bye bye friends. So like that guys, we can unlock phone with password and we can unlock phone with face lock. Bye.